If you are planning to start a motivational TikTok page or a YouTube channel, just stop what you are doing and watch this video, and you will thank me later. We all know that the motivational niche is saturated, and there are tons of new channels with the same type of videos. Let me be honest with you, if you start a channel similar to those, going viral would be just a dream. That's why you must be different from other creators, especially when you are going into a highly competitive niche like motivation. That's why I decided to reveal this untouched and new motivational video category and show you how to create videos that can actually be monetized. And you will be able to make tons of money through both TikTok and YouTube. This niche is called Anime Motivation Niche. A lot of you guys requested this niche from me, so here we are. This is an example channel in this niche. They have a decent amount of views. So as I mentioned earlier, this is a sub-niche of the motivational niche, which is not saturated yet. First, let me show you a sample video I created for this niche.
Have you ever found yourself stuck in a rut? You know those days when getting out of bed feels like climbing Mount Everest? Yeah, we've all been there. But let me tell you something. Motivation isn't some elusive unicorn. It's real, and it's waiting for you to grab it by the horns. Motivation isn't about waiting for some magical moment to strike. It's about taking that first step, even when it feels like your feet are made of lead. You see, motivation is like a muscle. The more you use it, the stronger it gets. So even on those days when you feel like hitting snooze 100 times, push yourself to get up and get moving.
Before going into the step-by-step tutorial, let me tell you something. I'm planning to make a video about where I start a new YouTube channel and upload videos for 30 days straight. You can do that with me at the same time. And for the first 20 people who comment on this video, I will personally check your channel and help you. You just need to join our Telegram community and drop a message there. So if you like this, drop a comment and I will upload that video on Sunday, then we can grow together. Let's start the process. The first thing we need is a good script. Remember, having a good script is one of the main factors for your video's success. As you all know, we can generate a script with ChatGPT within seconds. But the problem is, I don't think the creativity of ChatGPT is enough now. We can probably say that nowadays we can easily recognize if a script is generated using AI or not. In order to go viral or become an owner of a successful motivational channel, your script should not sound AI generated. The only thing you can do to overcome this problem is to ask ChatGPT to generate the script as naturally as possible, and then you need to convert that script to your own words again. This may sound like a complicated task, but it's actually not that complicated. So let's go to ChatGPT and ask like this. This is the prompt I'm going to use. Generate an engaging video script on the topic of motivation. This script should be unique and natural, making it more like a human-made script. Use simple language and aim for a duration of around 1 minute. Make it more realistic, and let's generate the script and see how it will come. I think this script is good, but as I mentioned earlier, I'm going to make some changes to this script and create my own version of it. After you create the script, we need to make voiceovers. Again, the voice we are going to use should not sound like an AI voice. That's why we need to select an ultra-realistic AI voice generator, where your viewers won't be able to say that this voice is AI generated. 11 Labs is one of the best and most realistic text-speech AI voice generators. There are a lot of AI voices in 11 Labs. You can even clone your voice with this, so you don't have to worry about buying expensive equipment for voice recording. And most importantly, you can monetize your videos using this voices. You can sign up for free. It will give free 10,000 characters. Now, let's check several AI voices and select a suitable one for this video. If you click this Add Voice button and click Voice Library, you can get access to more voices. By selecting suitable keywords from this top menu, you can get voices related to each category, so I will select social media. Let's check this voice.
I'd rather regret the things that I have done than the things that I have not done.
I think we need a more deep and energetic voice. Let's try another one.
You gotta be careful if you don't know where you're going, because you might not get there.
This one is really good for this project. So let's add it to the voice library. And now we can use this AI voice. Go to settings and select that voice. Then all you need to do is copy the script part by part and generate the voiceovers. Don't copy the whole script at once, copy it part by part to get a better quality AI voice. Just like this, create all the voiceovers and put them in a new folder. Now we are going to the most important part of this video, which is creating anime-looking visuals. For this process, we are going to use Pika Labs. It can convert images into videos and convert text prompts into 3-second videos. First, you need to create an account. After that, you will come to this window. For this video, I'm going to use text to video option. So the videos should look like anime characters, so we need a prompt for that. Here is the prompt I'm going to use. Let's try it. Click this small icon to edit the video options. From here, I will select a 9:16 ratio as the video size. And let's change this frame per second to 16 frames. Then click this motion control button and increase it up to 4. And let's generate this. This is how this 3-second video will look like. Now we need to make several videos like this one. You can change the font a little bit and create around 10 to 15 videos. But make sure that these videos fall under the same category, so in this case, most of this videos should have a dark and raining background. So I have generated around 15 videos for our video. Then all you need to do is download all these videos and put them in a one folder. Now we need a good background music for a motivation video. We can use Pixabay for that. It has a lot of background music and sound effects for free. You can just go to Pixabay and search for the music you would prefer and download it. Also, you can download copyright-free music from YouTube as well. There are tons of copyright-free music on YouTube. All you have to do is give the credits to its owner on your videos. And then, you can use that music without any issues. So, make sure to select good background music. With that, we have all the material to make the final output. To edit all these, you can use either Adobe Premiere Pro or CapCut. For this example, let's use CapCut. It's a free video editor, and you can download it to your mobile or computer. After you download it, follow these steps. First, start a new project and select a suitable size for your video by clicking this Modify button. Select 9:16 ratio. Then you need to upload all the material that we created to this, click this Import button, and select all those voiceovers, music, and videos. First, you need to drag and drop the voiceovers to the timeline in the correct order. As you can see here, there are several silent parts in these voiceovers. We need to cut out all those parts. It's not good for our video. So, you can zoom these layers by increasing this bar. And then drag this bar to those silent places, and you need to click this button. It will cut that part. Then, just like this, remove those silent parts from the voiceovers. This will take several minutes. So carefully remove those unnecessary parts from the voiceovers. Then drag the videos one after the other like this. Make sure to adjust their sizes, because we don't need this Pika Labs watermark to be visible. So add all the videos we generated just like this. Now, we need to add some transitions in between these clips to make this video more interesting and professional. So, go to Transitions from the top menu. There are tons of transitions in this. All you need to do is select the suitable transition and drag it in between these clips like this. Do this for all clips. After that, we need to add captions. CapCut has a feature that can automatically generate captions. Go to the text and select Auto Captions. Then select English as the language and generate. It will generate the caption within a few seconds. Then you can edit it in a suitable way. I will make the text size bigger and change its fonts as well. Edit these text in an interesting way. It's completely up to you. I would recommend using bold fonts and simple colors. Make sure that these captions stand out, so I will select this cool font. It's suitable for this niche. You can add any text effects for these captions from here. Now we need to add some sliding animations. Go to Animations and select Captions from the top menu. There are several animations for captions here. I will select this specific animation. This animation is really cool because it shows word by word instead of full sentences. Then add the background music under the voice layers. Make sure to reduce its volume. That's it. Editing part is not that complicated. Then you can export the final output. So guys, just like this, you can create videos for this niche. I hope you learned something from this video. I will see you in the next video.